Hi, I'm Jennie. Welcome to Jennie's Kitchen. Today's K-food is a kind of a snack. So this one is usually we can find in the streets. So there's a food cart. So you can find this kind of hotteok or fish shaped bun. And it's very easy to make. So I will show you how to make hotteok. Okay, so I will open this first. Okay, inside there's 2 packs of mixture. So one is a mix of flour and some salt or etc. And this one is hotteok's inside. So maybe this one is usually peanut or walnut or sugar, some sugar. And so you can make it with these 2 packs of ingredients. So I will cut first. So make a dough. So pour this one. And here's, I can find the yeast. Oh, this is stick too tight. Here's instant yeast. So we mix it together. And mix it. And you pour this. This one is not cold water. This is lukewarm water. So a cup of lukewarm water. So pour it. And you mix well. So make a dough for hotteok. But I'm not sure that why the name is hotteok. So but usually I guess ho is when we cold, and in Korea when we eat something really hot, and then we blow like a ho. So that is a ho, and dak is rice cake. So I guess this is after the make a dough and we fry, and then it's really hot. So we can say hotteok. I guess. Okay, now I wear these gloves and mix well. You need the power to make this dough. Okay. Okay. When you mix well, and it's okay to make we can make hotteok right after, but it's better to put aside for 20 or 30 minutes. It's better to make a hotteok. It's because of the yeast, okay? So maybe it takes time to ferment this dough. Okay, now I will wait for 20 minutes. So put aside. And then after that, we make a hotteok, okay? Now, you see, before 20 minutes, we make a dough and mix this hotteok mix. So this one is, maybe I covered the plastic bag, and after 20 minutes, the size is a little bit double up. So it's fermented well. And then this one is inside the hotteok. We put this one inside this hotteok. So take it out, cut it, and now pour it. Okay. Actually, recipe says we make 8 hotteok, but I suggested it's better to make 6 one. 6 one is look good and taste is better. So take out from the bowl and put there. And then use your finger, and this one is cooking oil. Because you spread the cooking oil in your palm and finger, and then this dough is not sticky on your finger. So Before making it, I will cut the 6 ones. Now, cut it half, like this. If you feel sticky, you put a little bit of oil. This one is a little bit smaller, so. Okay. And this one also. Part it. Okay. Now I will show you. This, you spread this dough like this. Okay. And here, and with your spoon, 2 spoonful of this sugar and peanut and walnut and sometimes the cinnamon, and you make it like this. Okay, and make it 6 like this. And here 2 spoonful. And if you have some cheese, it's put here inside here, so it also tastes good. Okay. You know, the part of the city name, the Busan, there's a very famous hotteok that we call 씨앗 hotteok. 씨앗 is seeds, like sunflower seeds, walnuts, and peanut, etc. So when bake this one, fry it, and then after that, cut half, and then inside that, you put a lot of seeds inside this hotteok. It is very famous. Now I made 6 of hotteok, and then now I will show you how to fry this one. And then you put on the heat. The first time is not too high heat, so lower heat, and pour some oil. Enough oil. You pour enough oil. So now when the lower heat, and put, you know, this part when the dough is put together, and then this one is upside down like this. And you spread it like this. Now upside down like this. Now I'll show you one more time. And this part is down because this hotteok is thin. If you fry high heat, it's burned. So you should be careful. Then after 1 or 3 seconds, after that, turn it over and you push like this. So you fried it when the color is a little bit brownish, and then that is it, ready to eat. Now look at this. The color is a little bit brownish, okay? It's cooked well. Okay, I fried this hotteok, 6 of hotteoks. I think it's ready to eat. Okay. Now look at this Korean nice snack. Really tasty snack. Hotteok. So it's not difficult, and maybe if you have this mixture, you can try it. And enjoy K-food, and we will see you next time. Bye!